favorite parts of being a Disney lover is getting to collect items that remind me of some of my favorite Disney things, whether it's a Disney character or a ride or some of the Disney World parks. I love getting to collect items and add them throughout my house to really give me a spark of joy throughout the day that remind me of the Disney World theme parks. Today I'm excited because we're going to be adding some more items to our Disney collection because we've received a mystery box from Toynk. They've sent us some items and I'm excited to unbox it with you today. I have no idea what they sent, so let's go ahead and take a look at what they sent us. Now, if you aren't particularly familiar with Toynk, they are an online store that specializes in toys, collectibles, costumes, you name it. They have a lot of different fandom and pop culture items. So you can collect things from Harry Potter, Marvel, Disney, you name it. They have a lot of items on their store, and particularly today we're going to be opening some Disney themed items that will go perfect with my collection. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. Now, they have so many items on their website. When they originally reached out to me, they asked what some of my favorite Disney items were or what I would be interested in, and honestly, they had so much on their website. I just said, send me some things, surprise me, and I'm super excited to see what they have added today. I do believe this is a little packing sheet that they have enclosed on the top of the box. I don't want to look yet because I do want to be surprised about what the items are, so we'll come back to this. Here we go. Remove some of the top layers and let's see what we got. So first we have a box here. It is very nicely wrapped. It's very individually wrapped. So we'll go ahead and unbox this item first. I do love mystery boxes as well because it's very suspenseful and interesting to see what is added inside. It's just a nice little surprise because you don't know what you're gonna get. So I'm excited to see how we can add these items to our Disney collection. Let's look. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Look at this. I love plants. This is adorable. We need to clean it off a little bit just because it has all the fuzzies on it. Look at this little Mickey plant. The pot is so incredibly cute. And on the back, it says Mickey Mouse. It's in his classic red and black theme. Oh my goodness. This is so adorable. It's definitely going on my desk or maybe in the background of some of our future videos. Adorable. I'm already thrilled with the first item. This is so cute. The next item we have here is heavy a little bit and it's very, very bubble wrapped. I don't know. I'm guessing maybe a mug, but let's go ahead. We'll get on into this. We'll dig right in. A lot of bubble wrap. I really appreciate that because you don't want your items to break in the mail. So that was really kind of them to package it up this way. This thing is very, very bubble wrapped. Do you see how big it is now? We'll see how big the actual item is because that'll show how much bubble wrap they added to this. Okay, let's see what, look at all this bubble wrap. Look at that. That was so kind of them. It is very well taken care of. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. Let's see exactly what it is. It's a ceramic soup mug with a pressure release lid and it's Ratatouille themed. Look at this. After looking at some of their items on their website, I did say that I was a huge fan of the Ratatouille stuff. I shared some other items that I really liked that they had on their website, so I love that they went with some of this Ratatouille themed. I did say, of course, I love your classic Disney items as well, so maybe that's why they added the Mickey succulent or Mickey plant to it. But look at this. So it says anyone can cook, but only the fearless can be great. And it says the same on the back. This is a really nice mug. I am thrilled about this. Look how cute. Here's a look at the top as well. We'll go ahead and get it opened up so you can see inside. It is very, very, oh, okay, that's why it is a little bit tricky to open, but that is good because it is a very sealed lid. So that's nice whenever you have liquid or soup inside of here. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. I love this. Absolutely love it. This box has been so fun. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Oh my goodness, yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, what do we have? We have Disney themed figural key rings. Oh my gosh, and I love these mystery packs that they have. Okay, let's open it up. So we've got a lot of different Pixar characters here. So we have Wall-E, Eve, Ham, Rainbow Unicorn. We have Wheezy, Mr. Incredible, Mrs. Incredible, Syndrome, Green Army Men, and oh, there's 2 exclusives. I don't know. I don't know which one I want. We'll just have to see. I love The Incredibles, but this is a really good pack. Let's go ahead. We're just gonna get right on into it here. We're just gonna get it cut. All right, let me know which one you would choose and which one you think it's gonna be. But here we go. Oh my gosh! We've got little Wheezy. Look at him. Look at his little speaker. Look at little Wheezy. He's so cute. He's got his little like speaker in his mouth. His little bow is so cute. This is adorable. This is gonna go on one of my Loungeflies and is perfect for future Disney trips. I love this. It's so cute. There's still more where that comes from. Let me see. I see another little item in here. Oh my gosh. Look, we've got a little Remy 15th anniversary pin. Look at how cute he is. He has his little spoon. It says 15 and the little Ratatouille. Oh my gosh, so cute. Here's the back of the packaging. Absolutely adorable. Oh, and it is a Comic-Con exclusive, San Diego Comic-Con exclusive pin. Look at that up in the top corner. That is so fun. I love that. Oh my goodness, so they really are going through the Ratatouille theme. I absolutely love it. All right, and the last one I am super thrilled for. I saw that they added this into the box when we opened it up and I wanted to save it for last. They do sell Loungeflies on their sites and I let them know I'm a huge Loungefly fan. So I don't know, let's see if they added one to our collection and which one it is. Because I am not sure which one oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's get this opened up. I can't. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I saw this one on their website and I think it's absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh. It is really packaged very nicely. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, we got it all unboxed. So going along with the Ratatouille theme, this is the 15th anniversary Ratatouille Loungefly. Look at little Linguini on the front, and it also has a glow-in-the-dark Remy on the top of his hat. It has a picture on the tag of what it looks like, so it glows in the dark, and you can see little Remy in the dark. Look at how cute this design is. I love cosplay type bags and this one is so cute. I saw it on their website. I thought it was adorable. And on the inside it does have a front pocket, which is very nice. Here's what the inside flap looks like. That's the inside lining. And the zipper charm is a little slice of cheese. So cute. Oh, I didn't even notice the side. Look, does it have a spoon and a fork? And it does have side pockets. That's like a must for me with Loungeflies. I love the side pockets that they have. There's the Loungefly plaque, and then on the back it says, anyone can cook, but only the fearless can be great. So the same quote as last time on our mug and ceramic cup that we have. And I also love, I didn't notice this before, but the little handle here is this houndstooth material. I think that's very, very nice. And I also have it on the straps as well. This is a very nicely done bag. Look at how cute this is. I am so thrilled with this. Very excited to add it to the collection. And also we will be wearing this to Food and Wine this year. We are going to do a Ratatouille themed look. Look at this. It's just so cute. This would be perfect for Epcot, perfect for the Ratatouille ride. I absolutely love it. I am thrilled with all of the items that I got. They're so cute. So here are the items that we ended up with our mystery box today from Toynk. I am absolutely thrilled with the items and they're going to go perfectly with all of the Disney items that I have in my collection. Now I do have the packing slip here with me now, so we'll just give a recap of what all we were able to receive. So we first have the Disney Mickey Mouse 3-inch ceramic mini planner with artificial succulent. Absolutely love this. I'm a huge plant lover, so this is going to be a very fun item to add to the collection. The next thing we have is the Disney Pixar Ratatouille Anyone Can Cook ceramic soup mug with lid. It is 24 ounces. It is a very nice size and perfect to give that little Disney touch, whether it's at work whenever you take your food for your lunch or just in everyday use. Then the big ticket item that we had that I'm super thrilled with is the Disney Ratatouille 15th Anniversary Linguini Glow Cosplay Mini Backpack. Here is the Loungefly that we received. It is so incredibly cute. Like I said before, we're going to be wearing it to the Food and Wine Festival, and I just know this is going to get compliments when walking around the park, and I'm super thrilled to create an outfit around it. Fourth item was the Disney Pixar Ratatouille 15th Anniversary Enamel Pin. This was the San Diego Comic-Con exclusive pin. That was very neat that they added that to the collection and to the items, and I'm thrilled to have that pin in my collection now. And lastly, a very fun item that they added was one of the mystery items. This was the Disney Pixar Series 8 blind packaging 3D foam keyring. Super nice for your keys for everyday use, or just to add to a Loungefly backpack as a nice zipper pull, or just a little accessory to have. But this is not all that you can get from Toynk. As I said before, they have a lot of collectible items in their shop that you can definitely take advantage of when adding items to your collection. If you're interested in any of the items that I received today, I will put all of the items in the description bar below and the pinned comment, so that way you can check them out for yourself. Thank you so much, Toynk, for adding these items to my collection. I'm very excited to show them off in future videos and also in my Disney park adventures. Let me know which item was your favorite and what you would like to receive in a mystery box, and with that, we will see you in the next video. See you guys!